Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the isometric view of a sphere of radius 30 is resting centrally above a cube of base 60 mm. At first we can draw the cube with base 60 mm. We can start with the point here 30° on both sides. And we can draw the parallel lines. We set the parallel line and we can set the guide over here. Set the parallel line and set the guide. Again, we can set the guide. We can set the parallel line. Now we can check the distance. So we get the point. Now we need to complete the line here. Now we can draw. Again, we can set. We can mark the distance. So the isometric view of the cube is completed. Have to find the center. So this is the base point, the center point and base point for the sphere. We can mark it P. Then we have to find the center. So the radius is 30. We can mark the 30 over here. So we can mark it as C. Now the radius of the sphere to the isometric view equals 1.22 times the true length. That means 1.22 30. We get 36.6 mm. So we have to take the distance. Mark the distance. We take the distance as radius 36.6 and mark the center. Now we can complete the figure. So this portion will be hidden. We can't see that. And this portion also will be hidden. And all other lines are visible. We can mark the distance and dimensions here. So this is the isometric view of a sphere resting above the cube. Thank you.